Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Patty. I am showing you my stovetop stuffing casserole, and I used 1 pack of that. I used some cream of chicken soup, 1 can, some cheeses on top with a little parsley on top as well. I seasoned to my taste. I did not use any salt. I put pepper and a little bit of sage. I put a large can of chicken breasts from my pantry and a cup of cooked ground meat. Mixed everything together, got it hot, poured it over the stovetop stuffing, and stirred it up really well. And then put my cheese on top. I seasoned it to taste, and I put it in the oven for 30 minutes. And here it is. Thank you guys for listening in. Thank you for giving the thumbs up. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.